want to go down the slide, Piper? Huh? You want to go down the slide? Jump! Jump! Here goes Ricky again up the slide. Are you alright? You alright? Put your arms over your head. Arms over your head. I see your hiney. It's nice and shiny. You better hide it before I bite it. Piper, Piper, where's your butt? Do you have to fart? I think that's Ricky's shower for the day. Piper, are you cold? Let's go see how my rug is doing. Yeah, it's still drippity dripping. Hi, Pipey. Hi, Pipey. Oh, hey, Taylor. When did you get here? When did you get here?
2 minutes ago.
Did you by yourself? Oh. How was your day?
Good.
Yeah? Say hi, Aunt Amber. Hi, Marty.
Hi, Amber. Hi, Marty.
There's Mimi. Mimi, can you say hi, Mimi? There's Yo-Yo Joe. Yo-Yo Joe, can you sing your ABCs? Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Joe, sing your ABCs.
Why
A,
is she
B.
naked?
I don't know, because she just came out here. Here's my bunnies. See my bunny? This one's Bionica. She's the bunny from hell. Say hi, Bee. Hi, Bee. I'll try and pick her up if she'll run away. And Brownie's under here somewhere. Where are you, Brown? Brownie. Where are you, Brownie? There's Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Are you sheeping, Brownie? Hi, Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Okay, we'll see you later.